We've made an improvement now in our drill operation. We're being able to modify the position of our drill points. If I were to go into my geometry, you can see we have the option of modify after I've chosen my drill points as shown over here. And if I go into modify, I can actually shift each point as I want. For example, shift the first point by 1 millimeter in the X direction as shown over here. And if I zoom in, you can actually see it being done live. And in my Y direction, I can have it go at 2, and you can see it moves over there. I can do this each hole individually. I can also shift them all with apply to all. I can basically get to any position that I need. This is especially important when you have tolerances that were given on the drill points.